Hi, my name is Maria Hassan. I'm originally Penan ethnic group. All right, I live in Kampong Mareng. Mareng means new in Penan language. Okay, live in Kampong Mareng, Jambatan Suai near here.
Hi, my name is Herman. I am also a Penan. So I am the chief of village for this longhouse Kampong Mareng.
Our religion here consists of two. Half of us are Christian, majority is Roman Catholic, and then half a Muslim. There's a group of pagan, only small, one or two family only, still pagan.
We are actually Penan Peruan. So how do we get this Suai name? I don't know. I don't really know how people, government get the Suai name, but our elders said that Suai is actually a small river downstream. Actually, we are Penan Peruan, but government has mistakenly labeled us this river as Suai River. It's supposed to be Batang Peruan, not Batang Suai. For many years, and I think continuously people will label us as Penan Suai. Actually, we are Penan Peruan. So I have to clarify this for the future generations.
Many years ago, Usunapa Plateau from Baram side near to boundary to Blaga side. We were originally from there. But then we come down. There are two types of Penans, two groups of Penan, the east and the west. We are the west side. Why we moved down from the plateau? Because first reason is we were the medic. We are looking for the food, right? Your group is looking for food. Once we settled down in one area, because we were the medics, right? After 3 or 4 months, the food finished already. No more sago, no more fish that area. So we are going to another place. So by generation, until we come down to this area. And the second reason, of course, because of the headhunting history. We run away from the headhunters, right? And the third part is because of the death. Penan is quite scared of when somebody die in the group. Immediate they will move from that place. So the disease will be kept maybe inside the trunk of the tree, all right, or in between of the tree, but not buried. That was our original tradition. And then the generation keep practicing it until we settle down. Few years, few hundred, maybe more than 100 years ago, we settled down in this area, become the first group of the Penan, become settled down. That's why you can see our Penan Suai or Penan Peruan is different than the Penan Baram or Penan Blaga. Because we are settled down, we adapt modern life much earlier than them.
Why we are different from other Penan, Baram or Belaga? Because after we settled down, we were exposed to outside communities. So we start to follow them by growing rice. We also grow rubber and pepper. So we are economically better than our brothers and sisters at Baram and Belaga because we adopt business mindset. So that's what makes us different in terms of economy. Late 90s until now, we grow oil palm. So it boosts our economy. So as you can see now, all these are product of oil palm.
At first, it's from the logging license. When my father have the license of timber license, all right, to access, all the logging trees. And then from there, we are being exposed to the culture, agriculture, products like cocoa, what else? Pepper, all right. They are from government subsidy, all right. But the problem, of course, the market problem. So the people cannot sell because the market is not, not really secure in that moment. Nobody really take care. You can sell it everywhere. and then the price is up and down. It's not controlled. So, and then from there, our father is the first one who planted oil palm. Our father is the one who started it in our area. Compared to the Iban Niah area is the first one in Suai, in this area. But in Penan area, our father is the one who started first the oil palm, and followed by the family, by the relative, by our people, our kampung people. Yeah, that's why you can see the products right now.
It's not that we lose our skills in handicraft. It's just that we don't practice it unlike Penan in Baram or Belaga, because you have to remember we have already adapted modern farming, so we don't have time to do those things. Most people here, men or women, they are busy with other economy like oil palm, back then papers, back then rubber. So if you want to do all this craft tangan weaving things, you need to spend your time whole day, stay at home. So but that is why what make us change from craft tangan sector to other economic sectors.
Okay, some of our other groups, they confuse us with the Penan because when they look at us in Suai area, because we are modern, they thought we are the Punan. Because when they see the people Penan in Baram, majority they are still semi-nomadic, still roaming in the jungle, still eating the sago products, still depending on the forest products. So they thought they are the Penans. We are the Punan, the settled down, because Punan already settled down long time ago. So they thought we are the Punan. In fact, no, we are still the same Penan. It's just that we settle first from them. That's all. Still the same Penan.
One of the stereotype that we still face until today, especially outsiders that come to our longhouse, to our community here, Penan Suai, Penan Peruan here, is the word bin and binti between our name. Because Penan Peruan, most of us, we have this bin and binti name, okay? So outsiders, they will think that we are Muslim, but we are actually not Muslim. Most of us are Christians. I would say half are Muslim, half are Christian. So sometimes people get confused. So I want to clarify that just because we carry the bin or binti does not mean we are Muslim. If you look at, fortunately nowadays, if you look at JPN IC, even my IC, I carry this bin. Just under the IC, right? There's no Islam. Even with name bin or binti, what differentiates it is there's Islam at the below of the IC.
Our grandparents, our parents always advise us to respect elders. If you walk passing by, don't just run or I don't know, you just walk slowly, bound a bit, bongkok a bit, and then you jalan terus. Alright, don't run, don't ever run. But not if in front, but try to jalan at the back. Excuse me, at the back, right? Unless the back full, his back or her back, then you go front, but you must bow a bit. Walk slowly. Excuse me, uncle, auntie, I need to go. Okay, that's one thing. Nowadays, I don't know, some of our children, I don't know, they don't really practice it, but it's quite sad, you know. Even our religion also advises us to respect elders. We should teach. For the parents, please teach our children, be polite, respect elders, because it's important. Not only in culture, our daily life is important. Second, about our cloth. Nowadays we quite sopan. You don't show here, don't show there. Nowadays people show here and there, you know what I mean? This is very bad. Last time my grandparents, they never want us to do that. Show here, show and there. That's very not good. You don't, you tak malu kah kata orang. You show yourself very free. Right? Seperti no marwah lah. No marwah. If orang bermarwah, you have to cover yourself. Bukan pakai tudung lah as Muslim, tapi proper cloth. Alright? The second one. But nowadays, yeah, things change. Maybe because of the influence of the media social, or maybe influence of other friends also, we don't know. Alright? So, other things, food, we always share our food. We still practice it until now, today. Last time, if somebody hand the wild boar, they will divide it into community. But since community by generations become big community already, now we still practice it. We share it with our brothers and sisters, our big family. Not only wild boar, maybe a curry, chicken curry, or itu daun ubi, tapi aku leaf sayur. We share it, still share. I purposely cook extra so that I can give my sister, I can give my brother. Purposely cook extra. So he will do the same thing. She also will do the same thing. So we always give each other food. Actually food. Fruit also like that. Fruit. The durian season also like that. We always share. We never eat alone. Among the big family, we always share it together. And there is this time, sometimes we eat at the family house, maybe to Herman house or my house. We always, especially Christmas, we must call each other to visit each other. So that this why our relationship still close because we still think about each other. But nowadays they forgot already, become so selfish. Actually, the AI, the modern people always stick with the telephone. They don't care about siapa sebelah, siapa kiri kanan. Just focus to yourself. This is very bad influence actually, not balance. We don't deny it's important, yes, but you know the balance, the importance of it. Not until you forget your responsibility to your family, to your relative, to your friends. But you see the people until some of it become crazy because cannot far from the telephone, far from playing games. Some maybe commit suicide if the parents take away the telephone. I heard about it. Yes, sanggup, because too obsessed already. So this is very not good.
Current challenges that we are facing today, just like other people around the world, is mostly drugs. One thing about the drugs, when people hear they consume drug, they become addicted, and then it create this another problem, that is theft, especially mencuri kelapa sawit. Addict people, he wants to get money, so he steals lah. He steals oil palm from other people's palm, from other people's kebun.
The first reason is because maybe of the culture shock. When people got money, they started from it. People got money because the oil palm, right? The drug seller, syndicate, of course they sell it because people got money to buy. So my message here is, since we embrace new religion, believe in God, in whatever problem we have, especially the drug one, the very hard one. If you don't bring your God to God, bring your children to God, if you don't plant the seed early during the childhood, you're going to face a big problem later. It's not easy. Better you start from the early age. Bring them to God so that God protect them from the small. If you bring it later, it's really quite a lot of time, a lot of money to heal them. So this I learned from my family, from my relative. Always put God first.
Okay, my hope is that for my people, especially Kampung Maring, and also from all the Penan Peruan, is that we, in terms of education, all the children must be sent to school, because I know some of them, they don't send the children to school. I know some of them. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe because they're too lazy to send their children to school. So that is not a good thing. My hope is that all children are sent to school, at least tertiary education. Tertiary education means diploma or degree, at least one house, one degree or one diploma. That is one of my hope. And in terms of economy, I hope everyone is doing well. And in terms of this issue, the drug issue, I also hope that no more Penan Peruan people involved in drug issue, drug problem. I hope they are all safe by God lah.